Ein Video-Interview auf YouTube, Mitte Oktober 2019.
My name is Suat. I'm Havrin's mother. One day before my daughter was killed, she was at home. The next morning at 6:55, my phone rang and her brother told me to answer the call. He said that someone is speaking Arabic, but I said that it must be Havrin. I said, "My Havrin." And I heard them speaking in Arabic and not answering me. All I heard was that they were saying, "There is no diesel." I realized then that Havrin was in the hands of the enemy, and I don't know who the enemy is.
There is an urban legend that states that Kurds have no friends but the mountains. That this was invented by a foreign journalist doesn't make it less true. But with the recent invasion of northern Syria by Turkish proxy mercenary forces, people all over have started thinking, if this is the case, then actually I would like to be a mountain.
Erklärung der Frauenverteidigung aus Rojava. Stoppt den türkischen Besatzungskrieg gegen Nordostsyrien sofort. Am 9. Oktober 2019 begann der türkische Staat seine Invasion und seinen Besatzungskrieg in Nordostsyrien. Die türkische Armee hat alle größeren Städte und Siedlungen entlang der Grenze angegriffen. In den ersten 14 Tagen des Angriffes wurden 235 Zivilistinnen und Zivilisten, davon 23 Kinder, getötet, 677 verletzt und mehr als 300.000 Menschen zur Flucht gezwungen, darunter viele Frauen und Kinder.
I expected that Havrin would be at the hospital. I asked them, and they said yes. I said to them, "Is she dead?" They said, "Yes." I asked, "Did the corpse come?" They said, "Yes." That's how I heard the news.
My name is Heja. I am a stone who speak to a Florian in Zoologischer Garten S-Bahn Station.
Was machst du denn?
Ich bin ein scheiß Flüchtlinge. Ich bin noch nicht integriert. He smiles agreeingly.
Oh, don't say that. Where are you from?
I shout silently, I am from Kurdistan, and get surprised that Florian knows where Kurdistan is. Oh yeah, he was there before.
I know Turkey is attacking your country. I am interested in politics. I'm a member of CDU.
You mean Christian Democrat Union? You know, Florian, I'm so angry against the Turks in Germany who vote for Erdogan. If they think that he's doing a very good job, why they don't just go back? Florian is getting really excited.
Why don't you come to our CDU meetings? Your opinions regarding the Turks could be really interesting.
What? Do you want me to make a hate speech against the Turks in your CDU meeting? Well, my German is not so good. But maybe when people who are displaced by Turkish airstrikes arrive in Germany, because Florian, I'm gonna give them my smuggler's phone number, I can make a connection between you and them.
I want to ask you something. As a refugee, do you think that arrival of more refugees is good?
I'm surprised that my opinion is requested. Well, actually, I'm here because of your Flüchtlingspolitik.
What do you mean?
If you weren't so afraid that people like me come here, Erdogan wouldn't feel so relaxed throwing people in prison. He wouldn't feel so safe and cozy invading other countries and displacing or killing even more people, because you will not dare to criticize him because you are scared of people like me. This means that actually I first went to prison in Turkey and then had to escape Turkey and ask for asylum here because you are afraid of refugees coming here. Yesterday, police raided my ex-boyfriend's house. Thank you, Florian, for being so cool with EU-Turkey refugee deal.
Unsere Forderungen: sofortige Beendigung des sogenannten Flüchtlingsabkommens zwischen der EU und der Türkei, sofortiger Stopp jeglicher Zusammenarbeit mit der Erdogan-Regierung und die Einstellung aller Waffenlieferungen, politische, ökonomische und kulturelle Sanktionen gegen die türkische Regierung.
Zu den Gewinnern gehören vor allem die bedeutendsten US-Rüstungsfirmen. Erkennen lässt sich das an der Entwicklung des Branchenbarometers Dow Jones Aerospace der Wall Street, der mehr als doppelt so stark gestiegen ist. Attraktiv erscheinen nach Einschätzung der Profis auch die Aktien von Rheinmetall. Jüngst hat etwa die Schweizer Großbank UBS ihre Schätzungen um 10% angehoben und ihre Kaufempfehlung bestätigt.
I am a stone who is having its beer with some friends at Fettungsgraben. There is a woman that I don't know. Soon I find out that she's a JHP supporter. We talk about ISIS. She's a secular, so am I. We condemn ISIS and jihadist groups, and we say support women internationally. Two feminists in Berlin, we found each other. We both hate Erdogan, and I have a new friend. And the story goes on. Hey, sister, this jihadist Erdogan is attacking women's revolution in Kurdistan.
What Kurdistan? There is no Kurdistan.
Look, I am from north of Kurdistan, which is occupied by Turkish state. I can call my home whatever I want. You have never been there. And this is a colonialist attitude. Your country is invading Rojava with a jihadist army.
Oh, penetrate the pussy and fuck Kurdistan.
Der Genozid des Osmanischen Reiches an der armenischen und assyrischen Bevölkerung 1917, die Massaker an der kurdischen Bevölkerung in Dersim, Halabdscha, Nusaybin, Şırnak, Cizre, Afrin und an der esidischen Bevölkerung in Schengal sind in unserem Gedächtnis nach wie vor lebendig. Und heute werden ein weiteres Mal vor aller Augen Verbrechen an der Menschlichkeit verübt.
My daughter Hevrin wasn't a fighter. Rather, she was engaged in politics, which is a right guaranteed by human rights. They arrested my daughter Hevrin and killed her with this brutality, but I won't give up on her right to the end.
My name is Hito. I'm a stone transitioning towards a mountain. Until the German state changes its position, I'm demanding that federal state institutions stop showing my work held in their collections as part of its external cultural diplomacy. I am sick of my work being deployed to detract the German state's tacit agreement with displacement, ethnic cleansing, and warfare, and to lend it an aura of tolerance and inclusivity.
My name is Anina. How to build a mountain according to the Women Defend Rojava. Stoppt die Invasion und Besetzung von Nordostsyrien durch die Türkei. Sofortiger Rückzug der türkischen Armee und ihrer Verbündeten aus Nordostsyrien. Verhindert weitere Kriegsverbrechen und ethnische Säuberungen. Alle Kriegsverbrechen und Kriegsverbrecher müssen vor ein internationales Gericht gebracht werden. Eine politische Lösung der Krise in Nordostsyrien kann nur unter der Beteiligung der Frauen- und Volksvertreter aus allen verschiedenen nationalen, kulturellen und religiösen Gemeinschaften in Nordostsyrien unternommen werden, sowie der Anerkennung der Demokratischen Föderation Nordostsyriens.
My name is Bilgin, and I'm following Lapinesque on Twitter. How to build a mountain according to Lapinesque. She joined a civilian convoy to try to reach the front line at Serikaniye, but the Turkish Twitter users started tweeting at her.
Danny, go back to your homeland. Pursue a degree, get a job. You cannot escape from the Turkish army.
Well, £9,000 a year in tuition fees? I'd rather stay here, mate.
How to build a mountain according to Heja.
Gonna build a mountain, gonna build it high. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, only know I'm gonna try.